Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your middle mouse button is not working properly on your Windows 11 computer. This tutorial will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 devices as well, but this tutorial is being performed on Windows 11 and it should work for tablets, laptops, and desktop computers all the same. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search icon, type in control panel. Best result should come back with control panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to category view, and then on the left side, select hardware and sound. Select devices and printers. And then you want to right click on your mouse. If you're using a laptop and you don't use an external mouse, and it's just part of your keyboard, you'd select your keyboard instead. So right click on it and select troubleshoot. And then if it was able to identify anything at that point, hopefully that would resolve the problem. If you're still having an issue, you can try opening up the Start menu, search for Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. And double click on your mice and other pointing device section. And then right click on your pointing device. And there might be multiple ones in here. Just go through each one. Select Update Driver. Browse my computer for drivers. And select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the specific manufacturer one unless you only had a generic one, in which case you have to just select that one at that point. And then you would select next and close it here. You will need to restart your computer, so go ahead and select yes and your computer will restart. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.